Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to send money using Remitly from the USA to Nepal. Once you've set up your account, initially it's going to ask you where you're going to be sending from and to. So right now it's showing that I'm sending to India. If you would like to change that, just go to the Manage tab right over here. Under Account Details, change it to Nepal. And then it'll automatically change your account to be sending to Nepal. So if you want to send money to a recipient in Nepal, just click on send. And then from here, it'll ask you how much. So for example, we're going to be sending 150 US dollars. They're going to be receiving 20,518 in Nepalese currency. After that, it's going to ask you what delivery method you would like to choose. From here, you can select either bank deposit, mobile money, or cash pickup. So bank deposit and mobile money have zero fees. Cash pickup, on the other hand, is $3.99. It's free now because this is our first transfer, but after that, it's going to be $3.99. So we're just going to be selecting bank deposit for now, and then it's going to ask which bank we would like to be sending this money to. So we're just going to select this bank. And then on the next step, it's going to be asking you for the bank details, but for now, we just have to put in our payment method. So you have an option to pay via debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, or even bank account. So there are fees associated with these payment methods. You can check on them here, but for now, we're going to pay using a debit card. And then after that, it's going to show you when this is going to get delivered. As you can see, it gets delivered in 10 minutes. You also have a flat fee of $0. This is because it's our first transfer. But for succeeding transfers, it's going to have a specific cost attached to it. So just click on continue when you're ready. And then from here, it's going to ask for the recipient's bank account details. After this screen, it's also going to show you the summary of the transaction. And once you're happy with that, just click on continue and your money is going to be on its way to your recipient over at Nepal. Let me know if you have any questions.